Hey everybody. Alright, we've got our usual late night via 54. I think you guys just heard the horn at this point. Alright. At least the cold temperature out here is bearable. Wow! This is why this is my favorite location, guys. And that was the blizzard storm of Via 54. And just like that, it's gone, like a ghost. I tried catching this train yesterday, but still by 9 o'clock, this train did not even leave Kingston. Like, it was just leaving Kingston. It was like 2 hours late. Still in the Kingston subdivision. And it was cold anyways, so no point in waiting. Anyways, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next epic rail fan video just like this one. Goodbye.